From flying cars to robot butlers, welcome to the world of tomorrow. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the newest and most innovative technologies and inventions that are right on the cusp of changing our lives in unbelievable ways. These groundbreaking advancements in science, transportation, medicine, and more are not science fiction anymore. They're becoming reality right before our eyes. Get ready to have your mind blown as we explore the most exciting tech and discoveries that are set to shape the future. Number 1, the VM45. Katanga began a research and development project in January 2021 to create a new type of LEV, a light biohybrid on-road quad with a range of 200 kilometers thanks to an extremely energy-efficient construction and the use of leg power in addition to electric power. For simplification, we name it, for the moment, VM45. Such a vehicle is not currently available on the market or type approved. The requirements for this vehicle, which falls under subcategory L6EA, light on-road quad, are defined by EU regulation number 168/2013. Legally, this is no longer a bicycle, which means we can install a more powerful engines than a nominal 250W allowed for bicycles in the EU, and the motor can assist up to 45 km an hour rather than 25 km an hour. The project is expected to last 2.5 years, during which time they will investigate and test various combinations of motorization, power transmission, regeneration, gearing, steering, suspension, faired body constructions, and so on. Number 2, Clone Hand XVI. Moving to a related area of research, the next project unveiled was a Clone Hand XVI by Clone Robotics. This is the newest version of their robotic hand with improvements in several key areas. The Clone Hand XVI by Clone Robotics debuted alongside our most recent batch of 36 waterproof electro-hydraulic valves with pressure sensors. Clone's robot hand is only one component of the larger humanoid scheme that the team intends to construct. With an operational load of 15 pounds and response times of 15 to 100 milliseconds, this is the strongest, fastest, and most durable clone hand yet. The hydraulic powering system for the robot hand has also been reduced in size to make it more compact, going from 8.3 kilos to the original 20 valves to 4.3 for 36 valves. Clone has developed a method for chemically molding dense biometric bones out of materials that can be obtained for almost anything. The size and biometric characteristics are identical to those of a human hand, including half of the arm bone, entire forearm, and palm movement with all degrees of freedom, total length of 60 centimeters. Number 3, stronger tape. Moving our focus to material science, researchers have been working on developing improved adhesive tapes. The following part discusses a new development in creating tapes that are both strong and easily removable. Adhesive tapes fulfills many purposes, from quickly fixing household appliances to ensuring a reliable seal on a mailed package. When using tape with a strong bond, removing it may only be possible by scraping and prying at the tape's corners, hoping desperately that the surface pieces don't tear away with the tape. Developing such adhesives may not be that far off though. The latest research conducted by the team of Michael Bartlett, assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering at Virginia Tech, and published in Nature Materials on June 22nd. Normally, when tapes are peeled off, they separate in a straight line along the length of the strip until the tape is completely removed. Strong adhesives are made more difficult to peel, while reusable adhesives promote strength-limiting separation. Bartlett's team theorized that if the separation path were controlled, then perhaps adhesives could be made both strong and removable. They tapped into the methods of a 2,000-year-old Japanese art form to determine how to do it. Number 6, animal robot. The next item discusses the development of a legged robot for autonomous operation in challenging environments called the Anthropic Animal Robot. Animal is a quadruped robot designed for autonomous operation in challenging environments. Driven by special complaint and precisely torque-controllable actuators, the system is capable of dynamic running and high mobile climbing. Thanks to incorporated laser sensors and cameras, the robot can perceive its environment to continuously create maps and accurately localize. Based on this information, it can autonomously plan its navigation path and carefully select footholds while walking. Driven by their first real-world application, namely industrial inspection of oil and gas sites, Animal carries batteries for more than 2 horatotomy and different sensory equipment such as optical and thermal cameras, microphones, gas detection sensors, and active lighting. With this payload, the machine weighs less than 30 kilograms and can hence be easily transported and deployed by a single operator. Number 5. Airs trains. The next technology researches into a gravity-powered battery system called Advanced Rail Energy Storage, AIRS trains. Advanced Rail Energy Storage, AIRS, has proven rail technology to harness the power of gravity, providing a utility-scale storage solution at a cost that beats barriers. AIRS' highly efficient electric motors drive mass cars uphill, converting electric power to mechanical potential energy. When needed, mass cars are deployed downhill, delivering electric power to the grid quickly and efficiently. AIRS systems are machines and have a 40-year service with no degradation and no thermal runway. AIRS is ideal for providing ancillary services and other power functions, making the modern electric grid more flexible and resilient as it navigates supply and demand challenges including renewable resource integration, electric vehicles, voltage, frequencies, outages, etc. Number 6. GAK Gove. The next invention details GAK Group's unveiling of an innovative eVTOL concept vehicle called Gove. During its Tech Day event in China, GAK Group unveiled its latest all-electric integrated mobility solution, the eVTOL called Gove. This unique design consists of 2 separate vehicles that can operate together or independently in both the air and on land. Guangzhou Automobile Group Co. Limited, better known as GAK Group, is a Chinese state-owned automotive conglomerate and the 5th largest manufacturer in the country for its segment. The company explained that Gove has been designed with GAK's autonomous AdiGo pilot system, as well as a dual backup motor rotor flight system. The passenger sits within the eVTOL portion of the Gove, as well as beneath navigates autonomously. It's not the so distant future. We can vertically take off from the roadway, leaving the car portion to return to its nearest GAK because autonomy and safety. Based on traditional infrastructure alone, we would wager that the future is a ways away, but it is quite interesting to dream about and could, at the very least, offer a glimpse of where holistic all-electric mobility is headed. Number 7. Crown. Researchers have been working on developing devices to help increase concentration and focus. A new such device is the Crown, created by Neurosity. In simple terms, the Crown is a device that you put on your head to increase concentration. How? It reads brainwaves to detect when you're in the flow. By that, Neurosity means a focused state of mind. That's what the company claims the device can help you to achieve, all without drugs and other mind-focusing exercises. Instead, the Crown records the brain's electrical activity through electrodes that are placed on the scalp. 8 little rubber sensors, otherwise known as EEG sensors, measure changes within the brain, accessing the visual cortex, which is the part of the brain that processes visual information. The Crown's computing module is as powerful as a MacBook Air. Neurosity says, not specifying whether that's an Intel or an M1 model. With a quad-core 1.8 GZ CPU, the Crown is able to get thousands of data points from the brain every second without losing data in transmission. The new sensor configuration includes access to the visual cortex, completing coverage to all 4 lobes of the brain. Number 8. Mural Canvas. Netgear has expanded its smart home product lineup with the Mural Canvas, a digital picture frame for displaying art. Netgear, a leading provider of innovative network technology devices that power today's smart home, has bolstered its range of smart homes with the launch of Mural Canvas, a smart digital frame which lets you adorn your walls with electronic picture frames that can swap out different kinds of digital art. The Mural Canvas is differentiated by Mural's patented TrueArt technology, a combination of hardware, software, and firmware that combines to deliver a realistic art viewing experience, including a signature matte, anti-glare display. The canvas can be easily controlled by hand gestures by browsing individual artworks and settings, the Mural mobile art, or voice control via Amazon Alexa. Netgear Mural Canvas Mural is essentially a large digital frame that comes in 2 sizes, a 27-inch original design and a smaller 21.5-inch design with a lower price tag. With a pre-paid 3-year membership, one can access a database of over 30,000 images from various artists and institutions around the world, which you can then display on the 1080p screen. As you can see, the future is filled with possibilities thanks to these incredible new technologies and inventions. These advancements will transform our lives and society in ways we can only begin to imagine. While we don't know exactly what the future will bring, it's clear it will be brighter and more impressive than ever, thanks to the brilliant minds pushing the boundaries of science and technology every day. The future is now thanks to these mind-blowing new inventions. What amazing new tech do you think will emerge next? Let us know in the comments, and remember to like and subscribe for more visions of the unbelievable world of tomorrow.